How to mute audio in Audacity. To begin, I imported an audio. To mute the entire audio track, just click on this mute button. To unmute it, click on it again. To mute only a part of audio, first, with the selection tool, drag to select a part of audio. Now click on this button to silence the selection part. Or undo this change and go to Effect menu, Volume and Compression, and select Amplify. Set amplification to -50 and click Apply. When we mute a part of audio, the changes are a bit sudden. To fix this problem, select 1 second of the audio before silence. Then from Effect menu, Fading, apply Fade Out. Now select 1 second from after the silence, and apply a fade in effect to it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.